Hi Scotty, how you doing? First of all, I want to say thank you for all the videos that you posted on YouTube. Great, yeah, that's my guest. Scotty, I have this problem. This is a 2009 Nissan Versa. It's hardly been used. It roughly have some 29,000 miles, not even 30,000 miles on it. And last night I found this problem. Check it out. It's cold. I haven't even started yet. It's around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And check this out. I'm just gonna turn the ignition switch. You hear that? That's the fan. The fan is not supposed to run yet, because I haven't even started the engine. See? All right. So I'm thinking there's some kind of problem with the I don't know, maybe a relay or I don't know, maybe the computer, and it won't even start. Check this out. See? Now, as you can see, it's got 30,000 miles. Yep, sorry, I was wrong. 30,000 miles. And this is a 2009 Nissan Versa. There's any suggestion, just please let me know so I can deal with it and troubleshoot it. Meanwhile, I'm gonna be working on it for now to see what I can find out. Thank you very much, and keep up the good work with the YouTube videos. Thanks, Scotty.